Hello, the NCSU Learning Analytics team welcomes you to our final data product and proposal. To recap, this datathon defined the digital divide as how access to digital services and the internet was inconsistent across both rural and urban areas of North Carolina. Our team aimed to reduce this divide by identifying priority areas for investment in infrastructure to foster higher post-secondary attainment. We are proposing a partnership-focused policy framework that makes use of these data to create meaningful and sustainable infrastructure change at the school level. We brought our personal experiences as educators and employed a mixed method approach, working with school and county level data. Throughout the analysis, we identified highest and lowest counties in terms of poverty level, post-secondary attainment, and broadband connectivity to see the gap across the state. For our exploratory phase, we first sought to validate the premise that the digital divide is also significant among low-income households in North Carolina. We combined the RLWG student connectivity, Stronger Nation, NC broadband indices, and NCES datasets into a new dataset and compared three connectivity variables by county, shown as average percentage out of households: those under the poverty line, those without internet access, and those without computer devices. In the interest of time, we encourage you to explore the positive relationship between these three factors in our interactive map. We computed a regression model individually to validate a single variable and found three significant correlations. With an increase in broadband, there was an increase in post-secondary attainment. Additionally, with a high school diploma or less, post-secondary attainment percentage decreased. Finally, we found a positive correlation between poverty and attainment. While individually the variables are significant, putting them together is confounding and requires further investigation. In accordance with our regression model, we compared the 5 highest and lowest counties for attainment and high school graduation rate using the Stronger Nation dataset. In this visualization, we saw that there was a correlation between these two variables. When the attainment rate decreased, the high school graduation rate increased. So, if we want to increase post-secondary education, we need to focus on how to increase high school graduation and 21st century skills with educators and students through partnerships. For this reason, we should investigate how improving broadband access can help to increase the attainment rate. Based on our analysis, we came up with proposing a partnership-focused policy framework with 3 tenets. First, public and private partnerships. Second, investing in school programs and tech in schools. And third, investing at local level to increase digital literacy for teachers and students. This policy framework can help schools in those counties to upgrade the curriculum to support digital literacy with 21st century skills. Public-private partnership investments lead to digitally literate teachers and students who are more likely to take advantage of post-secondary education opportunities. As seen by descriptives like our bottom 5 counties for post-secondary attainment, it's clear that these public data can act as a guide to identify the areas of our state that are most in need. But where do we allocate our budget? We have 4 recommendations: to continue upgrading our infrastructure, push for more time and money to incentivize professional development for teachers, find stronger corporate outreach to schools, and develop modernized curriculum with key technology partners. It's not enough to simply throw new technology at an issue, and we hope that our recommendations can offer lasting and sustainable change to these underserved school systems and help close the divide. Thank you for your time, and go Pack!